how to send SMS text messages on the computer without your Android phone. So here on my Android phone, you can see if I open up my text messages, I have signed into Google Messages. So now we go to the computer. Then on the computer, you want to go to messages.google.com/, and then web. So put in this web address and tap on enter. Here you see it say welcome to Google Messages. So select your account. Now select your account and then we go to the phone. Okay, so on the computer here, you need to tap on the same emoji icon. So whatever it is showing on the computer, you tap on the phone. So here, I'll tap on this right icon. If you are tapping on the right icon, if they are correspond, it should now allow you to connect on the computer. Okay, once it is paired, from now on, you don't need to use your phone anymore. So for example, I can click on this conversation and then I can start sending messages without the phone. Okay, and on my phone, I'm receiving the text messages here. And that's it. And this is on my phone that I'm sending from. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.